What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Aroma Kicks. Hey, if you like sneakers, if you like fragrances, or if you enjoy caps, I do content on all of it. I have a passion for all of it. Today, we're going to be talking about a brand new release from Boston Scally Company. Got it in the mail. I've been on a business trip in Chicago, so I've not been able to unbox it yet until now, and I'm pretty stoked about it. This was a limited edition release. It came out on June 5th, so June 5th is National Donut Day. And last year, they came out with the pink frosted donut. This year, they came out with the chocolate frosted donut, which I personally enjoy. It's my second favorite donut behind a lemon-filled glazed donut. I love lemon-filled. Anything lemon-filled, I really like. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this guy. I'm looking for my unboxing knife, but I should have had it before, and I do. It's in my pocket. How many of you guys lose your keys like that too? You're looking for your keys and you find them in your pocket. Guilty as charged. Okay, let's go ahead and cut into this guy. I'm stoked to see it. This was, again, I don't know if I said this or not, but it was a limited edition release. It sold out pretty quickly. I'm glad they included the pin with the cap on this one right here. The pins have been going crazy. For my cap gang out there watching this, you know, pins have been going crazy. They're starting to get like sneakers, which means people are buying them up and reselling them really fast. So, okay, first thing I've got here is, of course, the receipt from Boston Scally Company. Boom, there that is. And yeah, the chocolate donut. One thing that I noticed right off the rip is the size of the box. You do have a lot bigger box for this release. And of course, it's because it comes in its own box. But here it is, the chocolate frosted donut. And again, it comes in its own box. Nice presentation right here. I'm really digging this. It reminds me of the Nightmare series. I wish they'd do this with more caps. Makes it more collectible, more sought after, in my opinion. And I love a good presentation. I'm a sucker for a good presentation. You have Boston Scally Company right there. And then again, on the box, you have the chocolate frosted donut guy. He's in a great mood. He's smiling. He's got his coffee. He's got his thumbs up, standing in front of what looks to be a donut factory. And yeah, just really sick presentation. Nice slick box. You got the factory going around the edges right there and on the back as well. On the bottom, you have the Boston Scally Company branding. All right, so let's dig into this bad boy. Are y'all ready to eat or wear a donut? In 3, 2, 1. There it is. I hope. Yep, there it is. Okay, so there is the frosted chocolate donut from Boston Scally Company. And here, I'm going to give you guys a quick look at the box. The details on this are sick. I don't know why they have gears on the side of it. I don't know if you need these type of gears to make donuts. I guess you do. Real quick, let's do this. What is your favorite local donut company? Give them a shout out right now. Go down in the comments. Give them a shout out. Support your local small business. Tell the name of your donut company down in the bottom, and then the city or town that they're located in. For me, Columbus, Georgia, very best donuts. That's my go-to place. If I'm going to grab some donuts, that's where I'm going to. You have Dunkin' Donuts and Krispy Kreme and all of that, but shout out your local bakeries right now. Okay, so there is the information right there on the inside of the box. It says straight from Boston Scally Donut Company. The chocolate frosted donut cap has touched down, and it ain't sticking around. It didn't either. It sold out pretty fast. Structured crown, rich chocolate tones, details that hit different, refined, rugged, slightly indulgent, sweet but never soft. Should be soft, though. I like my donuts soft. I don't know about you guys, but my donuts need to be soft. If they're hard, that means they've been sitting out for a while, right? So, okay. But anyway, life's too short to skip the good stuff. Totally agree. That's why I buy a lot of stuff, because indulge yourself, treat yourself. If you got your bills covered, if you got your family covered, if you're taking care of your business and you're doing grown man or grown woman things, indulge yourself. You live one life, have fun with it. Crafted for this drop only, limited batch, no restocks. Collect the drop. So no restocks on this guy. Here is the cap itself, but before we get into the cap, let's go over the additional goodies that came with it. Again, I'm a sucker when they always throw in the additional goodies with it, but there's the 6 donuts, which we typically get. I don't go about a dozen or a baker's dozen or anything. We typically get 6 donuts, which is plenty, especially if you are trying to avoid sugar. So there is the chocolate donuts. Some of them have sprinkles on them, frosted, glazed. You got the little guys working in the factory right there. So I guess you know, this is a huge donut shop, obviously. Maybe they're making the donut caps. Who knows? But let's get into what you came for. If I can get this box closed. I'm not going to edit anything out. I very rarely edit my my videos unless they go a little long. But one last look at the box. There you go. Okay. First things first. Here is the cap pen. There's the little guy, the frosted donut, the chocolate guy with his coffee, and his little thumbs up right there. He's happy, and I'm happy because Boston Scally included the pen, and I didn't have to pay an additional $8 or fight the scalpers or resellers for the pen. Now, if I don't get the pen, I don't care. I see a lot of people on Facebook groups and stuff like that. They get all bent out of shape about the cap pens and stuff like that. I've been in a sneaker gang, guys. I know how it is when they bought stuff and things sell out and they resell them on eBay. That's been happening with me for the past 15 years as I've been buying sneakers. So it don't hurt my feelings. I totally get it. You got to be there early, and you just get to kind of look at the draw thing. And a lot of people are like, it shouldn't be that way. I totally agree. I know where you're coming from. I said the same thing when I, started getting back into sneakers. But fact of the matter is, it is that way. And there's probably really not much that you can do about it unless the company, starts putting things in place to stop it. But let's get back into the review. So there is the chocolate frosted donut dust bag that you get. Very similar to the box, actually the exact same as the box, which I really like. I love dust bags. A lot of people I've seen too are like, why did they give us dust bags? I don't do anything with them, and they sell them. Hey, that's cool. I've got a ton of dust bags, the Slush Puppy, the Nutcracker, the Jokers, the Hoppers, all that stuff. So all of my dust bags are hanging up over there, and then I've got my hat rack over here with all of my other hats that don't come with dust bags. So I like it when they include these. I'll put like 2 or 3 caps that are very similar in colorway or fashion or whatever in a dust bag, and that kind of reminds me. Okay, so we went over the pen, the dust bag. Now let's go over the cap. Here it is, guys, the chocolate frosted donut. Now this is a wool blend cap right here. So I'm not going to say it's going to be a summertime cap for me. It's probably going to be more of a fall, and plus the colorway leans more fall, in my opinion. You have this brown houndstooth, and by the way, speaking of the colorway, I think they rocked this guy. I think they nailed it with the pink frosted donut. I think it had the pink, it had the donuts on it as well, the pink frosted donuts. I think it either has like some teal colors to it also. I can't remember, but it was kind of loud and out there. Again, I didn't pick that one up, but I couldn't pass on this one. So getting back into the cap itself, you got the Brown's houndstooth. You've got this light, almost, I'll say light, but more of a khaki color brown right here. Again, this is that wool blend right here on these materials. And then you get more into the donut area. And this is divisive for a lot of people. Here's the thing. It's a donut cap, okay? It is a donut cap. I want the donuts on mine. That's what makes it a donut cap. The pink frosted donut cap had the donuts on it as well. And everybody went after that. I still see people trying to get that cap. So I see no problem with putting the donuts on there. And if anybody would have asked me, would you rather see any other panel beside the donut? I'd have said, no, put the donuts on there. So I may be the outlier on that, but this is meant to be a fun cap. So if you're not into the fun caps and the humorous side of things, this may not be a cap for you. We're going to talk more about that in a minute. Okay, so getting around to the back again, you got your donuts right there. You've got this nice plaid. I really enjoy the colors on that. Again, this is going to be a great fall time cap. Okay, the colors on this just leans to the fall time, right? Leaves. That's what I think of. I don't think of chocolate donuts when I look at this, unless I look at the side. I think of leaves. So on the interior right there, the brim, you've got the donuts, the frosted donuts, some with sprinkles, some with no sprinkles. I don't like sprinkles. It just tastes like pieces of sugar to me. Like they don't have any flavor. And I don't need to go down the rabbit hole with sprinkles right now. So anyway, I just don't dig sprinkles. That's me personally. Got your cardboard insert as usual. Take that guy out. Your sweatband right there is in brown. I wear a medium large, 7 3/8 in ball caps, or a 59 centimeter, and medium large typically fit me really well. So that's what I always get. And then of course you have your satin liner, or it's more of a satin liner. In my opinion, it's satin. I don't really know, but that's what I think it is. So Boston Scally, there's the frosted donut right there. Boom, bam, bam, boom, bam. I don't know why I did that, but here we go. Moment of truth. Let's get it on the dome, the head. Here we go. Boom. There we go, guys. So what do you think about the chocolate frosted donut from Boston Scally? There's what it looks like, giving you kind of an up close look all the way around. And yeah, I mean, I enjoy it. It is what it is. It's a chocolate donut cap. I'm glad to be the recipient of it. And I think it's going to be a great fall time cap. Again, I don't think I'm going to wear this too much in the summertime. As far as the fit goes, it fits great. You can see right here that that's how I know when a cap fits me. If I can take a couple of fingers and put it up on the side of the cap right there, and it's got a little bit of give to it, then it fits me perfect. So for me, great fit. I enjoy the look. Now, should you buy it? Should you not buy it? So here's the deal. If you like donuts, buy it. Right? If you have a humorous and playful side to you, and you know, I'm a family man. I have 2 kids, or basically they're grown adults now. But anyway, I've always been a family man. I'm a humorous guy. I like to have fun. And so this right here is perfect for me. When we go on vacations in the fall, we may go to a donut shop or something like that. I'm gonna rock this guy. Best believe it. So for me, it's a buy. For you, if you are not a humorist, if you're like a mature, which I'm not saying I'm not mature. Well, sometimes I am, sometimes I'm not. But you get what I'm saying. Like if you're grown, classy, businessman, suit, and all that kind of good stuff, this may not be the cap for you unless you have that playful side to you. And I hope that you do, because you can't take life too seriously. With that, I hope you enjoyed today's review. I'll see you in the next one. We got more sneaker reviews, more fragrance reviews, and more cap reviews coming to you soon on Aroma Kicks. And if that sounds interesting to you and you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time to do so. Peace. Y'all hit that thumbs up button on the way out the door for me too. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.